Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Bluetooth not working on Windows 10. So first of all, go to your Windows desktop, click on the start and go to your setting, and after that you have to click on troubleshoot. Then click on other troubleshooters. Then you will get an option which is here on the other, which is Bluetooth. Then you have to click on run Bluetooth, and after that it will take some time to detect the problem, and after that it will solve your problem. So this is the first method, and if it didn't work out for you, let me show you the second method. That you have to go to your start, okay, and you have to type mmsys.cpl in Windows search bar, and then you will get a Windows and you will select headphone and just click on the properties which is on down, and after that you have to go to enhancement tab and click disable all. After disabling all, you have to click apply. So this is it guys. I think this will solve your problem, and if it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.